I need a doctor visit, tell me doctor, am I really sick? He said I'm showing characteristics of being a snobby bitch. Yeah, I'm a poppin' bitch.
What is up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys this really cute headband wig from LUVME hair that was sent to me. So in the box, it came with a scarf, 2-layer edges. It came with a really cute pin, bobby pins, a comb, lashes, and even a wig cap so you don't have to get one. So I'm going to be slicking my hair into a bun, and I really want this to be realistic because let's be real, if you don't want to do your hair, you're not going to try to slick your bun really nice or try to make little tiny braids in your head. No ma'am. So I'm going to take my hair and I'm going to put it in a really low bun so it doesn't lift the wig up. I'm going to twist that around, and then I'm going to put the wig cap over that, and then I'm going to be laying my edges because, I mean, you know, everyone's going to see the edges, so the edges got to be laid. If you can't do anything else, at least lay your edges. So then I'm going to be taking that scarf that it came with, and I'm going to use that to set my edges in place. So now I'm going to be applying the actual wig, and how I'm doing that is taking the black elastic band that you see it comes with. It has a Velcro at the end, and I'm just going to connect that together and secure it around my head. I really didn't use the clips because, you know, there's a wig cap on there, so I really couldn't clip it into anything. But I didn't really use the clips. I did use the strap. And after I comb the hair out and remove the satin scarf that was given to me, I go ahead and adjust the wig just so that it looks more natural and it fits on my hairline better and it's not sitting all the way in the back of my head. And y'all, when I tell you this hair is so nice and so silky and smooth, like this is hair without being flat ironed, no products, nothing. They also sent me this really cute headband that you can apply to the black part of the wig so that you don't just have a basic black band. You could also get a headband from your local beauty supply store or Claire's or Walmart or anywhere that sells headbands, really. Alright guys, so that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the post notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a video. All the links and the details and whatever you need to know about this headband wig will be listed down below in the description box, so go ahead and check that out for me, and I'll see you guys in the next one.